Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. So I'm here at our Bhandarkar Road store and I thought why not show you all a special section at our store here on Bhandarkar Road in Pune. ह्या स्टोअरमध्ये आम्ही ट्राय केलंय की वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचा एक्सपिरियन्स तुम्हाला देता यावा. So we have a nice sit down section wherein we show different types of sarees in each section. But this particular section, as you can see behind me, this section is like a walkthrough. So this is a walkthrough section wherein we keep displaying different sarees of the month, sarees of the season. नवीन काही कलेक्शन आलं असेल प्रथामध्ये तर ते आम्ही डिस्प्ले करतो. जसं की आता संक्रांती होती तर ब्लॅक सारीज डिस्प्ले केल्या होत्या. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह. Many of you might have visited our exhibitions. प्रथाच्या एक्झिबिशन्सला तुम्हाला स्टँडवरती साड्या दिसतात आणि ही एक मजा वेगळी असते की अशा साड्या बघून त्याच्यातली एखादी साडी सिलेक्ट करून बघायची. आणि त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही हा छान इथे एक प्लॅटफॉर्म केलेला आहे की इथल्या इथे ओपन करून पण तुम्हाला बघता येतील साड्या. सो लेट मी शो यू अ फ्यू सारीज फ्रॉम हिअर. सो दिस इज, ह्या सेक्शनमध्ये आम्ही प्रिंटेड टसर्स, आमचं वन ऑफ आवर बेस्ट सेलिंग कलेक्शन्स आहे. सो प्रिंटेड टसर्स ठेवलेले आहेत ज्या नवीन आल्यात, जे नवीन कलेक्शन आलंय. सो लेट मी क्विकली शो यू ऑल अ फ्यू प्रिंटेड टसर्स. अतिशय सुंदर साड्या आहेत. जस्ट लुक एट दिस वन, अ व्हेरी व्हेरी प्रिटी प्रिंटेड टसर. दिस इज maroon all over print. Let me show you all quickly. So I'm going to try and give these small tours of our store here on Bhandarkar Road. म्हणजे especially for those who are not in Pune, you all get a feel of, you know, having visited the store. So yes, this is the printed tussar that I wanted to show. So the price range of these printed tussars is 11,500 to 13,500. Roughly that's the price range. This particular saree is for 12,600. If you like it, quickly take a screenshot. Our WhatsApp team is right here. You can just share the screenshot. They'll give you the price and the rest of the details. The next one, a new design in our printed tussars, is this beautiful print on tussar color. Now this particular saree is a very very new design. Just look at how gorgeous it looks. This is a very contemporary design. If you see, थोड़ा सा पिछवाई style आहे, but not the classic पिछवाई motifs. Just look at this, a very very soothing, classy design. This is the pallu. It comes with this contrast onion pink blouse. A very pretty saree. The price of this particular saree is 13,300. If you like it, just go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let me show you the next one. The next is, which one should I show you? This is again one of my favorites. This color especially, ochre, is my favorites in tussars. Many of you might have seen my photo in this mustard yellow saree, and so many we've got so many enquiries in that color. So this is a close enough color. Just look at this lovely lovely print. So असं थोडंसं कांथा स्टिच सारखं दिसणारं प्रिंट आहे. Very beautiful luster to these sarees. They are very soft. A lot of you might feel that tussars are stiffer to drape, but these are very soft. Dupion tussars आहेत या. Very very pretty. The pallu has zari checks. The blouse also has zari checks on it. A beautiful saree. This one is 12,600. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So आता कुठली दाखवूयात मला तुम्ही सांगा. ह्याच्यामधली कुठली बघायला आवडेल? मी आता जी तुम्हाला दाखवली त्यातलाच हा पण एक कलर आहे. वी सॉ वन विथ अनियन पिंक इन इट्स पल्लू, बट दिस इज द सेम प्रिंट इन अ डिफरंट कलर. देन लेट मी शो यू. ओके, सो ही एक साडी आहे. ही पण माझ्या एका पोस्टरवरती मी नेसली होती. फक्त त्या पर्टिक्युलर साडीला प्लेन पल्लू होता. दिस वन हॅज अ स्ट्राइप्ड पल्लू. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी प्रिटी वन. Somehow I personally like indigo blue and shades of blue on tussar beige. Looks very pretty, very classy. So yes, just look at this saree. A beautiful beautiful design. This is how it looks. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. आता नेक्स्ट मला साडी दाखवायची आहे. ती एक मी प्लेन विथ प्रिंटेड पल्लू and ब्लाउज दाखवणार आहे. Just look at this. A very very pretty design. Now this particular saree is a beige colored saree and it has this lovely pallu and blouse design. You all are going to fall in love with this particular piece. So yes, this is it. very rich, very classy, especially if you have any office events, any corporate events. And this is a beautiful, beautiful combination. So this is tussar with a lovely shade of green in its pallu. It is a printed pallu, and just look at this gorgeous printed blouse. A beautiful blouse. So ह्या साडीची ग्रेस त्या ब्लाउजनीच आहे. So it is going to look very classy with that printed blouse in its background. So yes, the price of this one is 13,100. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp.